Buying an SUV in 2025 should be easy, but it's not. Every brand claims to be the best, safest, smartest, most reliable. That's why Kelley Blue Book did the hard work. They cut through the hype and ranked SUVs by what really matters: value, reliability, comfort, and long-term quality. Today, we're counting down the 10 best SUVs of 2025 based on KBB's real-world data. And the number one pick, it's not the flashiest, but it just might be the smartest buy of the year. Number 10. 2026 Hyundai Kona. Hyundai gave the 2026 Kona a full glow-up, and it shows. It's one of Kelley Blue Book's top subcompact SUVs for 2025, and for good reason. Starting around $25,000, the Kona feels way more upscale than the price suggests. Inside, you get a 12.3-inch dual-screen setup, wireless smartphone integration, and a cabin that looks and feels more premium crossover than budget commuter. Under the hood, power depends on the trim. The base engine makes 147 horsepower, while the turbo upgrade jumps to 190, giving this small SUV a surprisingly lively feel. And Hyundai still leads with that 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. A huge reason KBB keeps calling the Kona one of the smartest value buys in its class. KBB rates it about 4.5 out of 5, praising its smooth ride, extra cargo space, and safety tech that other brands still hide behind pricier trims. Bottom line, the Kona isn't just affordable, it's a budget SUV that feels like it forgot it's a budget SUV. Number 9. 2025 Toyota RAV4. There's a reason the Toyota RAV4 keeps appearing in KBB's rankings year after year. It's one of those SUVs that just hits all of the sensible owner checkboxes without trying too hard. Pricing for 2025 starts around $30,000, and even at the lower trims, Toyota includes a long list of driver assist features under its Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, and pre-collision braking. Under the hood, the standard 2.5-liter engine makes about 203 horsepower, giving it enough punch for highway merges without feeling sluggish. Go hybrid, and not only does fuel economy shoot up to around 40 miles per gallon combined, but you also get a more responsive drive thanks to the electric assist torque. KBB consistently gives the RAV4 around 4.6 out of 5 expert rating, usually calling it the SUV that just keeps making sense. Interior quality isn't luxury tier, but it's durable, cleanly designed, and has that signature Toyota feel where everything is just built to last more than it is to impress. Number 8. 2026 Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is what happens when a brand decides it's done playing safe design. The exterior styling alone looks more like a concept car that escaped the auto show. And that's actually why it caught a lot of attention in KBB's compact SUV reviews. Pricing sits around $30,000, which makes the aggressive styling and technology-packed cabin feel like a steal. Step inside, and it immediately feels more modern than most competitors in this price band. The sweeping curved digital display, ambient lighting, and Kia's new generation infotainment setup give it a high-tech lounge vibe. Horsepower from the standard engine is 187 horsepower, but the hybrid and plug-in hybrid trims push things up to around 227 horsepower, making them the more exciting option. Plus, the hybrids get up to 43 miles per gallon, a massive draw for buyers who want efficiency without driving something dull. Kelley Blue Book gives the Sportage around a 4.7 out of 5 expert rating, praising how Kia managed to pack features that usually live in the higher trims of rival SUVs into its lower to mid trims. There's also something to be said about ride comfort. The cabin is quiet, suspension tuning is soft enough for daily comfort but still controlled, and the rear legroom absolutely embarrasses some of its competitors. Add Kia's strong warranty and you've got a compact SUV that feels like it's trying to punch above its weight, and kind of succeeds. Number 7. 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe holds its spot in KBB's top recommendations for full-size SUVs because it does what people expect from something this big, and then adds just enough refinement to make it feel modern rather than just large. Pricing starts around $60,000, and yes, that's a jump from compact SUVs. But you're stepping into a vehicle that can tow up to 8,400 pounds, carry a full family plus gear, and still offer up to 122.9 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats down, which is more than some small moving vans. Under the hood, the standard 5.3-liter V8 makes 355 horsepower, but there's also a 6.2-liter V8 with 420 horsepower, and even a diesel option for torque lovers. KBB's expert rating is around 4.7 out of 5. And one thing they highlight often is that the Tahoe no longer feels like an old-school body-on-frame SUV inside. The interior now includes a 10.2-inch infotainment system, available digital instrument cluster, and surprisingly upscale seating when optioned right. The ride is still truck-like in its confidence, but the suspension tuning and available magnetic ride control dampens to do a solid job of smoothing out the bumps. Number 6. 2025 Kia Telluride. When the Kia Telluride launched, it didn't just join the midsize 3-row SUV segment. It immediately started dominating it. KBB has repeatedly named it a best buy and keeps it high on editor rankings for 2025. Starting around $37,000, the Telluride looks like something that should cost closer to $50,000. Power comes from a 3.8-liter V6 producing 291 horsepower, which isn't built to be sporty but delivers smooth, consistent pull, exactly what a family hauler should. Step inside and it starts feeling almost like a luxury SUV. You get available Napa leather seating, ventilated second-row seats, a dual 12.3-inch panoramic curved display setup, and space. Real usable space in every row. Adults can actually sit in the third row without feeling like luggage. KBB gives the Telluride an expert rating around 4.8 out of 5, praising its refined ride quality, long feature list, and the fact that it still feels priced too low for what it offers. They also mention that Kia didn't just make it comfortable. It feels sustainable. Like it was engineered to feel confident and composed on long highway drives, rather than just being a city crossover with extra seats. Number 5. 2025 Genesis GV80. Moving into luxury territory, the Genesis GV80 is KBB's highest-rated luxury midsize SUV, and it makes a strong case the moment you open the door. Prices start around $58,000, which undercuts traditional European rivals by a good margin. Yet the interior layout looks and feels like something straight out of a designer concept cabin. Real metal trim, quilted leather surfaces, and a floating center console layout instantly reset expectations. The base 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers 300 horsepower, and if that's not enough, you can step up to a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with 375 horsepower, which turns the GV80 into a genuinely quick SUV. KBB rates it at 4.8 out of 5, often praising how Genesis found the sweet spot between performance and ride comfort. It's not stiff, it's not soft, it just feels composed, which is exactly what a luxury SUV should deliver. Technology is front and center too. The GV80 features a wide 14.5-inch infotainment display, smart posture seating with automatic ergonomic adjustment, available 3D digital gauge cluster, and even road noise cancellation to make highway cruising feel hushed and refined. KBB also points out that Genesis backs it with a 10-year powertrain warranty, which is rare in luxury circles, and gives buyers extra confidence long-term. Number 4. 2026 Honda CR-V, including hybrid. The Honda CR-V isn't just a compact SUV. It's the benchmark Kelley Blue Book keeps pointing to whenever they evaluate practicality, resale value, and long-term ownership confidence. Starting at around $30,500, the CR-V might not be flashy at first glance. But that's the secret to its longevity, is the fact that it's purpose-built to work for everyday life without drawing attention to itself. And that's exactly why it keeps winning KBB Best Buy awards. The standard 1.5-liter turbo engine makes 190 horsepower, giving it good torque delivery without guzzling fuel. But the real star is the CR-V Hybrid, delivering 204 horsepower with a smooth electric assist that makes city acceleration feel effortless while returning up to 40 miles per gallon. KBB gives it an expert rating of around 4.8 out of 5, consistently praising how balanced it feels. Not sporty, not soft, just confident. Inside, Honda took a more upscale approach for the 2026 refresh. The cabin has a clean horizontal dashboard layout inspired by the Civic, with a 9-inch infotainment screen, physical climate controls, and generously padded seating. Storage nooks, under console space, and rear seat room make it feel bigger than a typical compact SUV. Even the cargo floor is designed with a lower load-in height so groceries, strollers, and travel gear slide right in without lifting high. But what KBB stresses often is resale and reliability. The CR-V holds its value almost unnaturally well, and its maintenance costs tend lower than most rivals. The long view ownership appeal is what places it this high on their radar. It's not the flashiest SUV of 2025, but it's one of the smartest purchases you can make. Number 3. 2026 Ford Expedition Max. The Ford Expedition sits at the top of KBB's full-size SUV praise list because it feels more like a luxury road cruiser dressed up as a family hauler. Pricing starts around $65,000, and considering the sheer size, it still manages to feel controlled and composed instead of lumbering like old truck-based SUVs used to. Power comes from a standard 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, making 380 horsepower. And in higher trims, that output climbs to 400-plus horsepower, giving the Expedition surprisingly quick acceleration for something this large. Towing capacity hits a massive 9,300 pounds, one of the best in its class. KBB gives the Expedition a strong 4.8 out of 5 expert rating, especially noting that the Expedition Max practically turns into a suburban cargo van with luxury seating. The interior layout feels modern, with a 12-inch center screen standard, available second-row captain's chairs, and more legroom than most minivans. Road trip comfort is where it really shines. Adaptive suspension softens expansion joints and highway chatter, while acoustic glass dampens wind noise so conversations or long drives feel less tiresome. KBB frequently points out that Ford didn't try to make the Expedition feel sporty. Instead, they engineered it around stability, comfort, and confidence. Even something as simple as the seating height is made for long journeys. You sit high, but visibility is excellent, and the cabin feels bright thanks to the available panoramic roof. Families looking for a command seating SUV that doesn't feel outdated instantly connect with what the Expedition offers. Number 2. 2025 Lincoln Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator earns its place near the top because KBB sees it as a luxury SUV that refuses to overcharge just for a badge. Starting around $60K, the Aviator blends a refined drive experience with a cabin environment that focuses on serenity rather than performance bravado. Even the name suggests quiet luxury over aggression, and that's exactly how it drives. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 makes 400 horsepower, and there's also a plug-in hybrid Grand Touring variant that pushes out a wild 494 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque, which is supercar-level torque in a 3-row luxury SUV. KBB gives it an expert rating around 4.7 out of 5, constantly highlighting how the Aviator delivers effortless acceleration without needing to be pushed. It glides more than it sprints. Step inside, and Lincoln places heavy emphasis on atmosphere. Available perfect position 30-way adjustable seats with massage, a 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D audio system, and ambient lighting that subtly changes tone as you drive all contribute to that traveling lounge feel KBB mentions in their reviews. Even the chimes and alerts aren't beeps. They're recorded by the Detroit Symphony Orchestra. Ride quality is plush, especially with the Air Glide suspension, which lowers itself for easier entry and rises automatically on the move, giving it a yacht-like float without feeling disconnected. KBB praises Lincoln for not chasing BMW-like sport handling, and instead doubling down on comfort and elegance, which sets the Aviator apart in a market full of performance-first luxury SUVs. Number 1. 2025 Lexus RX. Coming in at number 1 is the 2025 Lexus RX. with a starting price around $51,000. It doesn't try to overwhelm with aggressive styling or performance bravado. Instead, it leans confidently into what Lexus does best: SUVs that feel effortless to drive, beautifully finished on the inside and engineered to last far beyond the average ownership cycle. KBB gives the RX an impressive 4.8 out of 5 expert rating because of how Lexus blends comfort, technology, and reliability into a package that feels premium without demanding constant attention from the driver. Power delivery is smooth and flexible depending on the variant, with the standard turbocharged RX 350 offering 275 horsepower for confident, everyday driving. The available hybrid setup returns up to 36 miles per gallon, which is incredibly efficient for a luxury SUV. And for drivers who want both performance and refinement, the RX 500h F Sport steps up with 366 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful RX ever produced. Inside, the RX focuses on serenity rather than showmanship. The cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials. The stitching and panel alignment are precise, and the 14-inch infotainment display feels modern without being overly techy or distracting. KBB highlights how quiet the interior is at highway speeds, describing it as one of the most isolated cabins in its class, exactly what owners in the luxury segment appreciate on long drives. Lexus also includes features like adaptive cruise with lane centering, traffic jam assist, and predictive suspension adjustments that smooth out the ride automatically based on road conditions. What makes the RX truly stand out in the KBB rankings is its reputation for ownership confidence. While many luxury SUVs impress early and become costly to maintain later, the RX has built a reputation for holding its value, staying reliable, and aging gracefully. In a market full of SUVs trying to stand out with gimmicks and aggressive styling, the Lexus RX sits comfortably at the top by doing something much harder: delivering quiet excellence year after year. Which of these SUVs deserve their spot on this list, and which other ones should be on this list? Let us know in the comments.